as well.
Nauus ka naman dun. Oh.
Oh, it's like camouflage. As you guys know, I built my YouTube channel
Tayo,
on toys. I love playing with toys, so it's so awesome to finally have my own Walmart. So go to your local Walmart and go check them out because they might sell out. Oh my gosh, why you got so much water in here? It's because it's leaking. It's leaking. Oh my gosh. Joy, bro, you gotta chill out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
So, meron din ako.
We decided to start small.
Dalawa! Tambol.
Yeah, because they can see, right?
Bakit naman? Ganito mo.
That's just how it gets.
Bakit naman guys? Tanong ko na. Natin. Ang box. Itong babusta. So guys, ako naman niya. Bola-bola. Puro ibang bola. Huwag yung ganito. Uy!
I just bought a house. Where? Where is it?
Ito naman niya guys. Mapapustan ka na itong laman ng mga palaman. Kaso lang, merong red.
Before we took the Lego house into a water park, we decided to start small.
Ano ba? Ma! Ma! Patingin lang, iiyak ko agad. Merong orange. Merong green. Oh, malaki! Maliit na. Ah! Na! Na!
That's just how it gets.
Maliit, malaki! Tapos, atay! Ma! Mali na! Utay!
Kasi ilaglag eh.
Ito guys. Tika ko.
Nawan ni Gian.
Maiko. Isa lang naman yun. Isa lang naman niya guys. Ang dami! Oh. Tingnan nga ako. Ah? Bakit? Isa lang sa akin.
There's too much weight.
Dalawang bakit eh. Ilan yan? Ulo. Oh. Ulo. Ulo mo ulo. Patay malaki.
Oh my gosh! No!
Hindi, wag na maingay.
Tapos, dodong. Ha? Takot lang ito. Ay, takot lang ito ha. Ano yun? Takot lang ito.
This is a little harder.
Oh.
Madulas yun eh.
Ano ko eh. Dalawa na lang eh.
Ceiling. Look how much water is on the second story. Oh, that thing is double.
Oh! Ma! Tayo! Oh! Tayo! Ikot! Naikot! Tignan mo! Oh, tayo! Oh, tayo! Ito mailot? Oh, tayo! Ikot! Ikot! Wala tatalaw. Wala.
Oh, I've never inhaled soap bubbles before. That was crazy.
Ada pakto.
There's a lot of
Yan, yan. Ano naman?
That was not a good idea. Let's not do that again. Lego staircase.
Netting! Wait, yung ano ko! Uy! Ano yan?
What happened to the camera?
Una.
It's safe to say that the Lego house
Ito matanda.
was the water park itself. Let me show you. Now we made the Lego
Ma, wala mo kanina pa sa hapon.
giant pool. This might be the biggest pool I've ever seen in my life. The Lego house fits in it and it floats. I'm gonna go up to this thing. Wow. Oh!
Solo, una. 100%.
Wow, thanks. Cellphone ko, guys. Oh, may cellphone ako. So, cellphone niya ng mom. Tapos cellphone ko sarili. Tingnan mo. Dali.
Floating right now.
Bukas yan.
It is a one big giant inflatable, so it makes sense why it floats. You still stable?
Diba? Lalapanin. Lalapanin. Pumasok ka lalapanin. Bukas meron ka papasok. Meron ka pasok bukas. Wala? Punta ako sa'yo. Ano pa?
Inside the garage,
Basta, guys.
empty. This is where the jet ski is gonna go, but it's not here right now. We'll get it in a second.
Marami.
We gotta build these custom
Marami.
support beams to mount the air motors.
Yan, guys. Ako. Ate lang ninang.
And with the grip, so there's a hole in the bottom of our house. It helps with drainage of water. You drop this ball down in the bottom, and now it's at the bottom of the pool. Now you shove this whole leg down there, and he's gonna try and grip the ball with his feet and bring it back up.
Ano, ninang mo yan?
Is he
Ninang
gripping?
mo? Ninang mo yan?
Why don't you guys go upstairs
Kaya,
and
ninang
tell me
mo
what we
yan.
got up there?
Tao.
Hey, Sophie! They can't even get upstairs. So present, dude. Dude, this is so sick. I could just take my couch and go outside.
Ito sa guys. Tingin ako. At rin ko. Ito mami ko. Ito mami.
All the soap you can ever
Ito kalaro na kuya ko. At
We
rin ko.
got spray soap, we got liquid soap, we got dish soap.
Aso! Ako mag-delete sa delete.
Gonna be really
Wala,
slippery
wala
up
pa
in
mo
here.
ni Daddy.
To the armory. We're here.
Ano mo yan? Ka! Pwede ka naman dun eh. Ano ako? Oh. Tukutan ko.
Welcome to the
Kita ako?
room. I don't know what's wrong with this room. We ran out of
Dito ako magbibideo.
Welcome to the balcony. We got Jared here to take any orders you have. If you need a water, go get it. Free or spiky.
Pwede naman ka tunod dito.
You just want to watch out sometimes. We
Manod.
got no baggage right here. She'll bite your toes.
Ikiyas tapatin.
And if you need it ever cool off,
Ulog. Kita nga.
How is it?
oh bro, there's so much stuff up here.
Diyan. Tay, wag din ako ah. Ay, lang ako sa taas.
Oh, I need to make something.
Puede sumarme. Bobby.
Man, drop some.
Hey, we got a kayak!
Bobby. Bobby. Sorry.
Oh my god! What are you giving that for? Oh my god.
Yes? Diba lang video? Diba?
I got it, sir.
So, diba lang
You
video?
need Jerry's help?
Jerry.
This is Jerry here.
So, guys.
This is nice, dude. We should have did this in the very beginning of the video.
Mata.
We didn't start with this. If you're still watching the video, it's about to get crazy. crazy because we should.
Yo,
What?
Dali
did
mo.
you show them the slide?
Oh yeah. Let me show you this. Come here. We also have a Lego
Hi, guys.
slide. Very nice. It's
Papa! Papa! Ay, naka-speaker pa. Bango. Bango. Bango na. Bango na. Papa! Mama. Oy!
The challenge on a gaming video, and the top comment was rebuild the Lego house. So here it is.
Ami flies?
It's so slippery, bro. I don't
Ano
feel
yan?
I'm not so much fun up the stairs.
Kaya
That'll be so much fun. I feel like I'm
Kaya
on
ako
vacation.
na.
Oh yeah.
Pa naman to iba yan oh.
They never gonna be able to walk on this white
Parang,
spaghetti.
matalan pa ni Papa.
You're probably asking yourself, how much is too much? There's never too much when it comes to shaving.
Bigyan mo si ate.
I can't believe this thing's inflatable. It's so
Same.
He's ready for us. Oh, Ethan, come on. It's time to go check out the second story. I haven't been up
Mami, bukaan kayo.
Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing straight here. Our endless supply from room number one.
Nam, nam, nam. Lalo lang. Dito,
Get
Viking.
for you guys. I heard you're hungry.
Tignan mo eh. Viking. Pa? Lalas lang yun.
I really want to go upstairs, Ethan. I'm sitting right here.
Diba?
What is this turtle? Olivia!
Ito mo pa? Wala na eh.
Watch this. Oh my God, dude! It's so exciting.
At saan nakabalik ko kasi
Oh, wow, dude, I'm smart. He ain't even gonna make it past step 4. Will Gabe make it upstairs? I'm trying so hard.
Nana?
He's not gonna make it
Well,
upstairs. We got progress.
Wala na oh. Wala na.
Tip number 72.
Tayo. Untuk motivate. Ilang tulang
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I say number 68 or something. Progress. Oh, snap. I've never seen this higher.
Sa templang na yan, Edison. Binili mo iba ng gamot yan. Ano yun na? Tinatimpla mo na.
Meron na guys. Alas lang yan.
Suntokin kita, loko. Huwag mo pinapak yun. Kabaling ang kapal.
Oh, sige, sige. Mawibili kasi ng mamaki.
Ano pa, may susumbong ako sa'yo.
Nakakamawa.
Tuya! Pa, alam mo yung gunting ni Lola kanina? Mahaba? Mahaba. Ginanyan sa akin ni Dodo? Sabi kay hindi.
Hindi ko nakikita kasi. Kinuha pala niya, tapos gagawin ko yun guys.
Nabog sa'yo bad yan, di ba?
Sa mukha pa.
Ha? Napaluhin kita?
Haba pa naman ang gunting ganun.
Gusto paluhin kita? Paluhin ko siya, guys.
Oh! 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 Sige!
Sige lang mo, ha? Tignan mo. Huwag ka nag-aano sa akin.
Ay!
Huwag ka nagwawala sa akin. Tignan mo.
pag nangaruling.
Metal support beams. So we can put water on the second story. Now the support beams are gone. And James doesn't know that.